In this module, you will learn about an important skill that is moving off and stopping. Let's first see how to move off safely. In driving terms, moving a vehicle from stationary or slow position with full control to match the speed with the traffic stream is called moving off or driving off. Motorists must do this maneuver without creating a hazard to other road users. The slow moving off can cause others to alter their speed or direction, which can create a dangerous situation. Motorists may use the POM routine to move off safely. This routine can be followed when moving from any stationary situation, either from traffic, intersection, or parking. The POM routine: prepare, observe, move. Let's see in detail what motorists should do at each step of the POM routine. The first step is prepare. This is getting the vehicle ready and preparing to pull away when the road is clear. Depress the brake and select gear into drive mode D in automatic transmission vehicles. Keep right hand on the handbrake to release it quickly and left hand on the steering wheel. The second step is observe. This is taking a look around the vehicle for the safe moving off. When moving from intersection, motorists must look at center and side mirrors for traffic. Use the indicator if necessary. When moving from parking, motorists must check center mirror, right side mirror, and right side shoulder for surroundings. Again, center mirror and use indicator if safe to do so. Left side mirror and then quick left deep shoulder through the driver's side window. The third and final step of POM routine is move. This is when everything is clear and safe to move on. Release the handbrake and move hand back to the steering wheel. Accelerate to move off according to the situation. After entering the traffic stream, check mirrors again and adjust the speed according to the road conditions, taking into consideration the speed limits. Motorists can use the same POM routine to move off from hills. Hill start. It is an activity of moving a vehicle from stationary position on an incline without rolling it back, as gravity affects acceleration and braking on hills. In an automatic vehicle, it can be managed easily as the vehicle does not stall. However, for the manual transmission, a good knowledge and control of clutch is required to avoid vehicle rollback. Therefore, it is important to know. Hill start procedure. To learn more about hill start, you may click play or choose to skip. Hill start procedure. To move off safely from hill, motorists may use the POM routine for hill start: prepare, observe, and move. Preparation. Depress the clutch pedal with left foot. Engage the first gear. Keep right hand on the handbrake and left hand on the steering wheel. Press the accelerator at about 1500 RPM with right foot. Slowly let the clutch up to the friction or biting point. This is when the vehicle back is lowering down and the engine sound starts changing. Release clutch a little further so that there is a forward push in the vehicle. Observation. Check center mirror and both side mirrors. Look ahead. Use the indicator if necessary. Move. Release the handbrake and move hand back to the steering wheel. Vehicle will start moving forward slowly. Gently apply accelerator and at the same time release the clutch completely over a distance of approximately 2 vehicles' lengths. After moving off, check mirrors again and adjust the speed according to the slope condition. Stopping a vehicle on a hill requires good control as well as techniques. Hill stopping procedure. To stop a vehicle safely on the hill or slope, the steps are: keep smooth acceleration while approaching uphill. When intending to stop, ease off the accelerator by removing the right foot from the accelerator. Place right foot on the brake. At the same time, when vehicle is about to stop, depress the clutch with left foot. When vehicle stops completely, apply the handbrake. If the engine is to be kept running, select neutral gear. If the engine is to be turned off, turn steering. If on incline, turn against curb. Engage first gear and turn off the engine. If on decline, turn towards curb, engage reverse gear and turn off the engine. Gently release clutch and then brake pedal. Let's see how to stop a vehicle safely. In general, stopping or bringing a vehicle to a complete halt smoothly requires these steps. Check mirrors for the traffic behind. Decelerate or release the accelerator. Brake gradually in 3 steps. Step 1. Apply brake lightly, just to illuminate the brake light. Step 2. Apply brake progressively to control and slow down the vehicle. Step 3. At the last moment, before the vehicle comes to a complete halt, reduce the pressure on the brake pedal to stop smoothly without jerk. Apply the handbrake. If the engine is to be kept running, select neutral gear. If the engine is to be turned off, select parking mode and then turn off the engine. Gently release the brake pedal. Remember, good anticipation and forward planning help to stop smoothly and avoid emergencies. However, motorists may have to stop quickly because something unexpected happens. For example, a child running into the road. Therefore, it is important to know emergency stopping. To learn about emergency stopping, you may click play or choose to skip. Emergency stopping. In a real emergency, it is vital that motorists react quickly. They will not have the time to check the mirrors before braking. Therefore, it is always good practice to use the mirrors often while driving so that motorists are aware of what is happening behind. The emergency brake procedure is that as soon as motorists see the danger, they need to brake firmly. In case of emergency, motorists should do the following. Hold the steering wheel firmly while locking elbows into the body's side to stop moving forward with the momentum of the vehicle. Move the right foot quickly onto the foot brake and push it down firmly. Steer in a straight line. If the vehicle starts to skid, which it will not do if it is fitted with anti-lock or anti-skid brakes, lift the foot off the foot brake and push it down again as quickly as possible to stop without skidding. Once the vehicle has stopped completely, change gear to neutral and apply the handbrake. When it is safe, motorist may proceed. Remember, if the vehicle has manual transmission, push the clutch in right at the end of the stop. It does not matter if the vehicle stalls. The important thing is to stop safely and quickly.